Alright, y'all, we're back in the video. We're back in the reaction. We are here with the Indiana Fever now. We have Lexie Hull and Caitlin Clark doing normal day-to-day things, right? So I guess it's 2 clips. And then we have the other side, the sun. This is Caitlin Clark's teammate, Melissa Smith, and Dijonai Carrington, who just lost the other day in the playoffs. Dijonai Carrington, she played hard yesterday, not yesterday, a couple days ago. She was the only one I would say really was trying. Because everybody else, they was treating it like a regular season game. Alyssa Thomas had 7 points. DeWanna Bonner all of a sudden want to turn into Kevin Durant at the end of the game. Like, y'all not down by almost 20. Other than that, let's get into these real quick, and then we'll talk about it.
This is good. Do the raspberry dream with vanilla cream instead of coconut cream, please? And then can I do the summer splash?
What is this, Starbucks?
This is good. Do the raspberry.
No, that ain't Starbucks. What is this? Oh, this gotta be. Come with us to try Swig for the first time. Swig. Let me get a swig of that.
This is good. Do the raspberry dream with vanilla cream instead of coconut cream, please? And then can I do the summer splash? Also.
Sound like something from Starbucks.
With vanilla. Can I get the spring fling with vanilla cream instead of coconut cream? Can I have the beach babe too, please?
You're Caleb Clark, right?
Maybe.
Look. Look.
With vanilla cream instead of coconut cream.
It don't matter. She can dress up as Slim Shady. They still gonna say it's Caitlin Clark.
Can I have?
Hey, ain't you that one gonna play for the Fever? Ain't you Caitlin Clark? So I would have said I'm Slim Shady. So I would have said I was somebody else.
You're Caleb Clark, right?
Maybe.
Nah,
Have a golden
probably not.
mug.
That was me personally.
I give you.
I'm Tyrone Jamal the Third. I'm Tyrone Jamal DeQuavius the fifth. I don't know who that guy is.
Mug means every time you come through Swig, you just get a free refill.
What's your favorite drink?
Woo!
What's your?
Mine is the Jolly Old Elk.
Oh,
I want to try.
I just opened. Is it okay?
Would you like it? Okay, what are you gonna start with? Did you get? Yeah, you got spring. That's mine.
Pretty good.
This face says this is mid. It's not great. It's just mid. Like it could be better than. I'm telling you, I know. Yeah, he did it twice. Yeah, it's mid.
Pretty good.
Nah. She didn't want to say it was nasty. It was good.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is good.
Yeah.
Wait, that's my favorite. It's the only one I've had, but I can tell it's gonna
This
be my
tastes like
favorite.
a.
This is the raspberry dream.
This tastes like a blue raspberry icy.
Yes.
This one's better.
It's so creamy.
Obviously.
Also, it's really good. What is the
I
same
think
thing?
The only difference is yours is raspberry, mine's strawberry.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, cut that out, please.
We'll skip over that. Beach Babe. This is the summer splash.
You could mix it up, kind of, maybe?
Okay, these are healthy, right?
No, but they are only $3.
I don't care what we learned from this video. The fact that Caitlin Clark had a $28 million Nike deal and she said that it was only $3. This is real, like, and this is like something black people do. Like, they don't care how much money they got. Look at LeBron. LeBron is a billionaire that doesn't have YouTube Premium. He still watches YouTube ads. Go look at the interview he did with D-Wade. D-Wade exposed LeBron for being the cheapest billionaire that's ever existed. And LeBron knows that. He's a billionaire that still watches ads in general. But the fact that Caitlin Clark, this is the golden goose. According to high-end media, this is the golden goose. And she said it's only $3. Wow. That was low-key inspirational stuff.
That kind of, maybe?
It's more like that rich person that dresses casual type of vibe.
These are healthy, right?
No, but they are only $3.
Only $3. Hey, they're $3 on it. Not let it fly. Anyway, there's another video. Check it out real quick.
I love a bargain.
This is an
W bargain. It's more like a wholesale or a flea market sale. Not a flea market, Salvation Army sale. Goodwill sale.
I love a bargain.
Kind of a bargain. $3 for that?
This would be good on like a summer day.
I agree with you.
Healthy, refreshing.
Mine is not healthy at all. Like an icy again. They taste like ices.
This looks thick.
Really good.
This will give you a cavity, guaranteed.
This looks like a Shirley Temple. Would not get that again.
Which one's your favorite?
I mean, both of mine are 1 and 2. Yours are 3 and 4.
That's crazy. So basically, she has no taste. She has no seasoning when it comes to drinks.
Yours are 3 and 4.
She said mine is 1 and 2, and yours is 3 and 4.
Would not get that again.
Oh yeah, so that was nasty work. All right.
I mean, both of mine are 1 and 2. Yours are 3 and 4.
That was embarrassing.
Sorry.
That was embarrassing. I'm not gonna lie. Lexi's face was just so embarrassed. Look at her face. It's like, oh jeez, this is going viral too. Gosh.
I promise you they are.
No, you don't like this one more than this.
I mean,
You don't. Just admit it.
yeah, I don't know.
Well, it's just nasty. It's just nasty work. It was mid to nasty work.
Number 1, the raspberry dream with coconut milk instead of vanilla cream. Number 1 of the 4 that we ordered.
No, this is number 1. These are tied for 2nd and 3rd, next 2, and
This one can be thrown out the window.
the fake Shirley has got to go.
But we're getting,
Overall good, and he said he was going to give us golden mugs. So,
so we'll be back.
Yeah.
Swig. Out of 10.
I mean, I've never been to a place like this before, so...
Its own category.
Oh, so they just mid. If you can't give a rating 1 out of 10, that means that she's probably not coming back anytime soon.
Out of 10.
Because, you know, you would instantly be like, all right, it's like a 7, a 6. She said no rating, though. NA.
I mean, I've never been to a place like this before, so...
Its own category.
So it's really just like, I don't even know what to say.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
I've never been to a place like this before, so...
Its own category. 10 out of 10.
She would not say 10 out of 10. Anyway. What else? How could anyone forget Caitlin Clark and Lexie Hull play Mermaids the day before the first ever Fever Mercury game? This was at the beginning of a beautiful friendship no one saw coming. I didn't see
You want to
all
play
this.
mermaids? Yeah. Okay, you go. Can you see? Yeah. Jump in.
Oh, heck no. You want to play Mermaid? You want to play Mermaid?
No way. Oh, I thought you thought.
I'm not going to lie to you. And I don't want to sound like that person because you know me. I get on here to make y'all laugh, tell jokes, stuff like that. Don't take me too serious. But this is a Caucasian thing. Let's play mermaids. Black people may not even get in the water. Shoot, they say we can't even swim. See, me personally, I'm like Michael Phelps in the water. But as far as just the stereotypical black people, is we don't want to get our weave wet, wig fall off, and all of that kind of nonsense. But playing mermaids, we are not doing that. I tell you that right now. We're not, yeah, nah. That's just not us personally. Oh, okay. What's this? Mermaids Part 2? Oh. Anyway, that's that, right? Now let's look at this other clip from Melissa Smith and Dijonai Carrington. Dijonai is messy. Laugh, 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 laugh. Excuse me, let's see what this is about.
Real quick, please.
Looks like they're cooking dinner.
Ow!
I'm sorry.
You poked me in the eye.
Dijonai. Now, Dijonai Carrington. You may have played great in your last season's game, but to say this now, what the lady start doing all of a sudden? This? Where did this come from? Clock and tea? Where'd this come from? It's too early for this. You know what I mean? It's 8:30. It's too early in the morning.
Ow!
I'm sorry.
You poked me in the eye.
See, maybe she did something splash in her eye, but it's again, like I said with the Asia Wilson thing. You know how social media get, especially after she poked Caitlin Clark in the eye. You know what's gonna happen.
I'm sorry.
You poked me in the eye.
You see, even I don't know. Melissa Smith might, yeah. It's just like she instantly got to looking at the nails, all type of stuff. It's like, oh snap! Here you done did it again. See, there you go.
You're 8-year-old. You did.
I did not post
Did you do it on purpose?
I did not.
Yo, you gotta relax. Dijonai Carrington's a savage.
Sorry.
You poked me in the eye.
Yo, nah, bro. Even Melissa Smith like, there she go doing it again.
You're 8-year-old. You did.
I did not post
Did you do it on purpose?
Did you do it on purpose?
I did not post you.
You did.
Oh my gosh.
You're 8-year-old. You did.
I did not post
Did you do
you.
it on purpose?
I did not post you.
Did you do it on purpose?
Bro, the reason why I'm laughing is because this is the kind of environment I'm from, bro. This is the kind of environment I'm from, bro. This kind of humor. You know what I mean? This is all jokes. But at the same time, it's like, it's time and place. Like, the fact that she went live and pretty much 1,000 people was watching. Did you do it on purpose?
Please. Real quick, please.
With the left hand? Can you slow-mo it? What happened? Oh, we got it. Hold on. Yeah, hold on. Give me 1 second. I ain't do some further analysis. Ah, that little brush. See, it's this, the eyelashes. Yeah, it might have been an eyelash that hit you in your eye. I don't know.
Ow!
Sorry.
It was like a little brush that hit the eye. Hold on.
You poked me in the eye.
Heck no, bro. What'd she say?
You're 8-year-old.
You're a troll. See? Melissa Smith knows.
You poked me in the eye.
She even know, like, oh, yep, here we go.
You an 8-year-old. You did. I did not poke you. Did you do it on purpose? I did not poke you.
Yeah, it didn't even look like it's probably them eyelashes that it's whoop right in her eye. Probably an eyelash. Even the Liz Smith's eye. It poked you in your eye.
You did. I did not poke you. Did you do it on purpose? I did not poke you. Did you do it on purpose?
Did you do it on purpose? Anyway, what y'all gotta say, bro? Oh, here they come. See, we already talked about the Caitlin Clark before this for a reason. Because these is two different worlds that we living in. You know, and then even the water thing, you know, we accustomed to putting our feet in the water instead of getting all the way in. You know why? Here we go. Oh, and Alyssa has time? Is it? No, this ain't her, is it? Oh, this is a fan page. Okay, yeah, I was about to say, I know this not, Alyssa actually commented back. Oh, yeah, see, here we go. Caitlin Clark fans have assembled. The Clarkies. Clarkies, assemble! Stupid. Grow up, or you'll be unemployed very soon. Girl, shut the up. Go on about your day with Caitlin Clark. You already know how that turned out. LMAO, I love her. My mama like her. Dijonai, I mean, she don't know her name yet. I'm trying to get my mom, you know, acquainted with some of these players. She's still called Dijonai Shikari. But we gonna get that together. That's one of the goals, is to pull up to one of these WNBA games next season. I'm laughing, deserving of each other. She's one of my faves. That's too funny. Oh, she's funny. This the content I'm here for. The Messy Chronicles featuring Alyssa Smith. Alyssa should not play for the Fever. Yeah, she's not playing for the Fever next season. That's over with. I love Dijonai. Taking any steroids lately? Oh. Yo. Oh, I'm standing now. You definitely poked her. She played too much. Just like me for LMAO. She's so funny. Delete. Should have hit her with one of these. LOL. Y'all funny. Oh, here they go. Classless. There we go. From Jim. Jim says it's classly. You know how they get. You already know how they get, bro. See how they just mess up the whole joke, though? Kick her out the league! Suspend her! She did it on purpose! Ah! Yeah, man. And I already know how Caitlin Clark fans get. Caitlin Clark lives rent-free in Dijonai Carrington's head. I'm already knowing. She lived rent-free. Hold on. She's just like this. Living rent-free in her head. She's like this. Anyway, I just wanted to come on and watch those two things with you guys. Caitlin Clark's, what is this, 2-3 minute day in the life. And, Dijonai pretty much poking at Caitlin Clark fans. This is funny, though. This is good humor. This is that entertainment humor. I like it. Anyways, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to the channel. If you do subscribe, I really appreciate it. I'm going to see you guys in the next video, man.